Hello my dear friends and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share you how easily you can create a custom validation in Excel. Over here in a cell, if I want only a numeric value to be entered, here if I try to enter something text, it is allowing me, but I don't want to allow any text over here. So for that, let's go to data, in the tab data validation, and here you just have to select a custom. Okay, and here you just have to type a formula, say is number, and give the reference cell address. That is, this is the first one, D10, and bracket complete and okay. Before that, if you want to give an error message over here, alert message, then you can give it numbers only. Okay, so now in case if I type something ABC or something like that, it is going to give me an error. But if I type a number, it is going to be validated. If I try to enter any date over here, it is also going to allow me because date is eventually a number. Okay, let's see how it can work with the text values. So I'm selecting a text, going to the data validation again, and over here I'm just going to say text only. I'm just putting a message first, and in the value custom, here we can say equal to is text, and the cell address, the first reference, bracket complete. Okay, so now if I put Patel, it works very fine, but if I put any number over here, it is going to give me an error. Same way, if I put a date over here, it is also going to give me an error because that's a not text and a number. And that's it. Let me know in the comment what you think about writing a custom validation in Excel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.